I call what we're doing Operation Save Hudson Valley Manufacturing. It is that serious. Companies need people, they need skilled people, and they don't necessarily have time to do those foundational level skills. How do you build a house? You start with the foundation. If your foundation is crooked, cracked, and wonky, how are you going to build the rest of your house on that? Here at DCC, using these SACA credentials, we are building the most solid foundation any student could have anywhere in the whole country. My name is Nick Lane. I'm the coordinator of Mechatronics programming here at Dutchess Community College. Student experience is what it's all about here. Our favorite line is, we make it personal. We want to make sure everybody gets in, gets to where they want to be, gets their certification, and either gets a job or upskills themselves.
SACA really resonated with our industry partners, and it made sense that the things that SACA is providing certifications in are exactly the things that students are seeing in the workplace. And so that it made it a no-brainer really for us to go in that direction, because the students, we want to make sure that we're training students in things that they actually can actually use, and having the SACA certifications in place has been really instrumental in that.
I think the SACA credential is really important because any individual company knows they need training, but they don't really know how to put together a curriculum, and they don't really know exactly what they need. But having this credential that has been put together by an industry, by professionals who understand the depth of needs of companies, it's reassuring, and so they can rely on that, and they know that it's something that will provide the skills that the employees will bring that is valuable.
So DCC came out to my facility and reviewed all the things that we do and looked at the skills that are needed by my team. Given that, certain SACA certifications were best suited to be taught to my employees and prospective employees that would be moving into my department. There's a slew of certifications that are available here at DCC, and getting the right ones that are applicable for us are key.
We've talked about it for years that a college degree is one thing, an associate's degree is another thing, but really it boils down to the actual activities and tasks that people have to do, and that they not only are capable of doing those tasks and activities, but they understand why and how, and that's what this credential does. It gives them individuals that complete it, that gives them not only the skills that the companies need, but the context to apply those skills.
Our job here at the college to teach and show what SACA is to all of these companies. SACA is new to the Northeast, right? So it's our job and our mission to explain how beneficial these certifications are to these companies, and show them that if you got 10 of these certifications, that's equivalent to our 2-year associate's degree. We want to get people jobs. Our goal is to get people jobs, and how fast can we get them those jobs? We have industry partners up and down the Hudson Valley on the other side of the river begging our students to come and work for them.
In Dutchess County alone, I can count, within 15 miles of here, probably 15 or 20 companies that need these programs and services, need this training, need these kids with these, or anybody with these skills. But this building, this facility, this lab is really at the crossroads of the Hudson Valley in general. So we look at it as a regional center. And if you look at it that way, there are dozens and dozens of companies from Westchester to Ulster County that need these individuals. Economic development is workforce development, and workforce development is economic development. So there's not just the current employers that are here, but this program will be a draw for other companies to relocate here or expand here, because the employees will be available, and that has really been the bottleneck. That's been the constraint on companies throughout the nation, throughout the region, and if they know that they have the talent pool, this is the place they'll be.
And it's changing these people's lives to show them something that they never even knew was possible. And it's a place like this with the best tech in the whole country. We have the best stuff around. There's nowhere better. If any place has this equipment in it, you are the best, right? And training people on the best tech in the world is what we're doing here and getting them ready to move on to their next stage in life.